Today's smoothie is going to be a mixed berry smoothie with yogurt, banana, maca, fig, date, and a package of the macro greens. It's been 3.5 hours since I had that smoothie and I am ravenous. So on half a sourdough, I've got some sliced turkey, tomato, avocado, watercress, and parsley on top. I have to go pick up my mother from her hairdresser and take her to the dealer to pick up her car, which is being serviced. So I'm grabbing one of these protein bars. These are Nugo dark chocolate chip, and my water bottle, and then I'm gonna head on out. So here are the main ingredients. We've got the pie crust and eggs, sour cream, chev, chopped up roast chicken from a leftover chicken that I roasted the other night, chard, onion, and mushrooms. So I'm starting by sauteing the chopped up onions, stems from the chard, mushrooms, and I think that's it. Yeah, and then I'm going to add the leaves from the chard when it's almost ready. I've also got some salt and pepper and thyme in there. So while that's cooling, I've got 4 eggs, about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of dairy, half the zest from half a lemon, salt and pepper in here, and I'm going to combine this and whip it all together and then put the tart together. Right now I have I literally squeezed the juice out of the vegetables because I didn't want the crust to be too wet. Put those in along with the leftover chicken and the chev. There you go. And I tried to spread everything out so that you get a bite of everything in every bite. So the only other thing I need to do now is put the egg mixture on, and then we can get it in the oven. Almost ready. I'm just going to put some of this Parmesan Romano Asiago cheese, sprinkle a little bit of that on top, and then get it in the oven. That's going to cook at 375 for about 35 to 40 minutes. And while I've been cooking, I've also been nibbling on these everything crackers. These are sprouted seed crackers, gluten-free from Simple Mills, because I've been going nonstop today and I needed something to keep going. So this is cooling right now. This tart was inspired by a mushroom and dandelion green tart that I had at a restaurant in Buffalo. But I had to add meat to it because my mother won't eat it without it. When I want comfort food, this is it. I'm having it with green beans, a lemon wedge, and some extra parsley. And the pie shell from Holy Wholesome that I used won Best Tasting Pie Shell on America's Test Kitchen. And it really is good. And I've got some cut up mango, and 2 candies, peanuts dipped in dark chocolate. So that's going to do it for me.